In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Galaxy Fit 3 to Realme phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any model of Realme phone, you will be able to connect your Fit 3 watch to it. So you will be able to connect any Samsung Galaxy Watch to any Realme phone. All that you have to do is use the proper application. So to set up your Galaxy Watch, you need to use the Galaxy Wearable app. This can be found on the Play Store. So go into the Google Play Store and download the Galaxy Wearable app. By downloading this app, you will be able to set up your Fit 3 watch or any other model of Samsung Galaxy Watch that you have. So install the app, and inside you will see some facts about wearables made by Samsung. You can check them out here, or just choose the option to start if you simply want to connect. Immediately upon choosing start, it might ask you to grant it permission to detect nearby devices. Make sure that you allow it to do so. Now, all that you have to do is power on your Galaxy Fit 3. As long as it is sufficiently charged and you power it on, it is going to be recognizable by the Samsung Wearables app. So it is going to appear under the list of available devices. Choose it from the list and you are basically good to go. You might have to confirm a code or some numbers that appear on both your phone's and Galaxy Fit 3's screen, and as long as they pair up and they are correct, you will be able to confirm. You might have to sign in with your Google account, and after you do this, it is going to set itself up for you. So just wait for this process to finish, and once it is done, that's it. You will now be able to manage your Galaxy Fit 3 through the app. You can control the watch faces, the apps, and a lot of other settings available here. As long as you are using the Galaxy Wearable app, you can get this done with any Realme phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy Fit 3 to Realme phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.